Good morning, Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about Friday. So Friday, wow, Disney finally hit our upper end target of 106.25. If you were at the Dallas Money Show, this was one of my hot swing picks. There I did a live presentation on stage. The next trade up would have to be above 106.25, but we could retrace to fill that gap back in first to 107.50, 110, and then 112.50 are the next targets, but we have to break above 106.25. We had our eye on Friday on AMD. We spotted 4 million prints at around that 11.22 level. Well, Friday we spotted another 4 million prints at around that same level, give or take a couple of pennies. So we're only going to be bullish. It hasn't moved much above $11.50. However, I did spot a huge seller at $12.80. There he is on the book. You see that? $12.80. I'm going to actually zoom up. See if I can zoom in. No, having problem with the zooming. Oh, there we go. $12.80. Okay. I'm trying to zoom out. Oops. All right, there we go. Technical difficulties this morning. All right, so I'm going to be bearish below 11 for AMD. Also, UAA. Remember we spotted those big prints? Just under 12. We were bullish above 12. This thing shot up to 12.50. Definitely going to be key level. You can see ARCA selling there this morning. So if she can break above 12.50, a lot more room to run to the upside. All the way to about 13.42. That's the next moving average up for UAA. AT&T was a hot stock for us. This week we were trading it off that 34 level. Bullish, still above all those massive prints. Remember, 33.49, 15 million, okay? But it looks like it got stuck on these moving averages. Everybody always makes fun of my moving averages, but you want to know something? They work, okay? Computers are programmed to buy and sell on each and every one of these. And you can see if we can break above 34.50, yeah, there's a ton of room to go to the upside. So keep your eye on AT&T. So my room was rocking it on Friday, but one trader in particular had his best trade ever. Best day trade, that is. His name is Brian. And now we call him the Kahuna. Awesome trading, Brian. You've made amazing progress since boot camp. I know that was a tough class for you, but you know what? Really helped you. And I want to see you still practicing those exit strategies, okay? All right, so what are we watching today? Well, check this out on TV. Grupo Televisa. Massive prints came in on Friday. I tweeted this on the Dark Pool app. 5.5 million, another 5.5 million at 20. So let me just pull up the chart for you. And you can see ton of volume happen. So I'm only going to be bullish above $20.20. If that's smart money buying, we should easily break and close above 20.20. However, going to be bearish below 20, below $19.80. All right, with each level that we break below, like 19.50, that's going to be even more uber bearish. Or if we break above 20.50, uber bullish. So keep your eye on TV. Now this morning, if you were in the trading room, we got a great lesson early on JD on refreshing. We spotted ARCA selling at $42.30, hiding his orders, getting done in between the bid and the offer. It was amazing. They took it down to where we had a huge bid that we called out at that 40 level. So those are really key levels to watch. Of course, we're going to watch and see whatever prints come in today. But yeah, definitely come in early if you're in the room I am there at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time every morning, and definitely will teach you a lot of great things, especially during earnings season. We are also watching Nike. Thanks for the call out in the room on Nike. 411,000 share print Friday at 56.09. Now earnings are coming out in a couple weeks. A lot of retail stocks are coming out. I'm going to go over some cool strategies that we can take going into these retail stocks in my afternoon meeting. Nike, we're going to be bullish above 56.20 and bearish below 55.80 on that print. Also, Mattel. Yeah, Mattel. Remember we spotted, this was my whisper 2 weeks ago. We spotted massive buying pre-market at 12. All right, well, guess what? We had some selling at 18. I'm sure it's the same guys. So 18's key level on Mattel going to be bullish above. And, of course, I'll be bearish below 17.50. So there's a rumor Hasbro might be taking Mattel over. And Rockstar in a room had a pretty good joke about that, saying their new symbol would be hazmat, which would be toxic. So that was funny, Rockstar. So what else are we watching today? We are also watching Apple. Apple, I think this is the longest whisper ever. Apple, we had a huge print, which I called out. 800,000 shares at 174.78. And you can see Apple's moving down. So we were bearish below 174. That was in the dark pool tweet. We had about 3.5 million dark pool late prints on the SPY on Friday at a 258.29, and we are below 16 million at 258.45. You guys, that's huge. The first time we're below massive volume. Therefore, looks like we are having a bit of a correction. Let's see if we get more late prints coming in, but we definitely have been bearish as long as we stay below those levels. So come watch me trade this and so many more all day long live in the Job Fit Trading with www.thestockwhisper.com. Happy trading, everybody.
Turn to